Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making a delicious chutney with fenugreek leaves. This is called methi chutney. Methi leaves are very healthy and we should be using them more often in our cooking. Here I have some fenugreek leaves and as you can see I am using the tender stems also. Here I washed my fenugreek leaves and drained the water. Let us fry the spices first. I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in my pan which is on low-medium heat. When the oil is hot, I added 6 red chilies and fried in oil. If you want it more spicy, you can add 2 more red chilies. When they are done, I transfer them into a plate. In the same oil, I added 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Keep stirring them for a uniform frying. When they are changing color, transfer them into a plate. Keep all these spices aside. In the same pan, add the fenugreek leaves and fry them. Fenugreek leaves are packed with nutrients like iron, calcium, copper, zinc along with sodium, potassium, magnesium and phosphorus. Fenugreek is a good source of fiber. They are good for hair and skin and also they improve the breast milk production. So it is a good idea to use the fenugreek leaves more often in our diet. You may add more oil if you need. Don't fry the leaves until they get crispy. Just fry them until they get tender. Then add a small lime-size tamarind which was soaked in hot water. Give it a mix and let it cool. Meanwhile, grind these spices into a powder. To this spice powder, add the cooked fenugreek leaves along with the tamarind and grind them together into a paste. Before you grind, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt and a little pinch of jaggery. If you don't like the jaggery, you can leave it out, but it gives a nice taste. You can also add some garlic if you like. Now grind all these together. Now let us make the tempering. Into a small pan, take about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 or 2 red chilies, cut them into small pieces, and a small pinch of hing or asafoetida, few curry leaves. Now go ahead and add the ground chutney and mix it well. This chutney can be a good combination with dosa or it can go with rice or chapati. It's a very healthy recipe because the fenugreek leaves are super greens. So please try this recipe and give me your feedback. For more healthy recipes, subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my Telugu channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet with a new recipe.